Let's learn English by reading story. Today I will share a story with you. The name of his story is The Power of Friendship. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Arif. He lived in a small village and loved to spend time alone. He thought he didn't need anyone in his life. One day, a new boy named Rafi came to the place. Rafi was kind and friendly. He tried to talk to Arif, but Arif ignored him. Days passed, and one afternoon Arif got lost in the forest. He felt scared and didn't know what to do. Suddenly, Rafi appeared and helped him find the way back home. Arif was surprised. Why did you help me? He asked. Rafi smiled and said, because friends help each other. From that day, Arif understood the value of friendship. They became best friends, and Arif realized that life is much more beautiful with friends. Follow for more.